you're experiencing the installation loop error 2026 in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve software issues. Close all applications and restart your computer to refresh the system. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause installation issues. Test your connection by browsing other websites or running a speed test. Step 3. Run Battle.net as administrator. Right-click on the Battle.net launcher and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass permission issues that may be preventing the installation from completing. Step 4. Clear Battle.net cache. Navigate to the Battle.net folder on your computer and delete the cache folder. This can help resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the installation loop. Step 5. Reinstall Battle.net. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the Battle.net launcher. This can help fix any underlying problems with the application itself. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the installation loop error 2026 in Overwatch 2. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.